Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set vertical text in Miss Word. Let's open the Word document. As a first option, your text can be in a table. If so, select the text and you should open the Layout menu. There, click on Text Direction. You can see that it changes the direction of the text to vertical. Click as many times as necessary to adjust the text. As another way that we show you, from the Insert menu, click on Text Box and choose the Draw Text Box option. Adjust the box and enter the desired text. After that, adjust the dimension and configure the text format in size or font. You are going to select the text box. From Shape Format, click on Shape Outline and click on the option No Outline. Now use the direction icon to move the text vertically in the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.